Comerse a alguien con los ojos / la vista. What does this mean? Comerse a alguien con los ojos / la vista. You know what comerse a alguien means. Okay, so similar to do something to someone, not eating someone. That's so wrong. But you're talking about an action that in the previous situation was smothering someone with kisses. Now we're talking about ojos. Ojos means eyes. La vista means sight. Okay, so we're talking about eating ice. No, not eating ice. That sounds terrible. That sounds even worse. Let me tell you what this means. Let me tell you what this means. This means to devour someone with one's eyes, or when you're staring at someone or checking someone out. Also to gaze at. So this is a very interesting phrase for sure. Very interesting expression. So you use this expression when you saw someone and you cannot stop looking at that person because that person is very attractive to you. You know, you feel that that person is really attractive, or when it's just that person has something that gets your attention. Okay, so usually this happens when you really feel attracted to someone. Okay, so that's what this means. For example, let's look at some examples. Miguel se come a María con la vista. Miguel se come a María con la vista. So this means Miguel gazes at Maria. Stop it, Miguel. I mean, it can be awkward, a little awkward for some people, but I mean that happens, right? That happens. So Miguel se come a María con la vista. So Miguel is devouring Maria with his eyes, essentially. Or Miguel is staring at Maria, or checking her out, or he's gazing at Maria. Okay? So that's what this means. Miguel se come. And remember, we're saying comerse. So that means we can use these pronouns like te, me, se. Miguel se come a María. We have a, and then alguien. In this situation, María, we're talking about María, con la vista. La vista means sight, the sight. But you can also say los ojos, se come a María con los ojos or con la vista. And that means that the whole sentence means Miguel gazes at Maria. Okay, so that's what this means. The next example is para de comerte a Miguel con los ojos. Se va a dar cuenta. This means stop devouring Miguel with your eyes. He is going to notice, or he's going to he's going to notice. So stop. Para means for, but also it means stop. It's a command, and it means stop. Para. Essentially, you're saying tú para. Okay, so you stop. Para. When you say para de, you add more to the sentence. Stop, ... Okay, so in this situation, comerte a Miguel. Devouring Miguel. Okay, comerte. This is another way to use these se, me, te, le pronouns. So that you have the verb here, comer, and then you add the pronoun te, comerte. And that's when you say that to someone, comerte, okay? Comerte a Miguel, devouring Miguel, con los ojos, with your eyes, or con la vista, that works as well. He is going to notice. You can say it like se va a dar cuenta. Él se va a dar cuenta. We don't need él, he. So you can just say se va a dar cuenta. He is going to notice. When you use the phrase darse cuenta, dar cuenta, in this situation, that means to notice. I believe I talked about this verb before, expression before, because dar cuenta is an expression and uses the verb dar, and that means to realize, to notice, okay? When you say se va a dar cuenta, that means he is going to notice, okay?